what's up guys, it's Off the Hood Gamer, and I'm here with another Drive Club car review, the new series I just started not even too long ago. Have a video uploading right now, so be prepared for that. So I'm here with the hot hatch Volkswagen Beetle GSR. It's a 4-cylinder turbo, front wheel drive. Okay, 2-liter, 207 brake horsepower, or 209 PS, 280 Nm, or 206 pound-feet of torque. It weighs 1435 kilograms, or 3,164 pounds. Its acceleration is just the same as the John Coupe works. Actually, I think it's the exact same. All the things are exact same as John Cooper works. Like the same thing. Almost the same, but yeah. So let's get in this baby. Got the same monster thing. Alright. Oh, the interior looks nice actually. Wonder how your day's going. Remember, like I said, tell me why you disliked. So let's drive this baby. And of course it's a manual. And that's actually pretty nice because you don't see too many modern manual cars. All you see is automatic or paddle shifts. And paddle shifts aren't the same because there's pretty much no, it's just a manual car with no clutch. That's all it is. I wish manual cars would just make their way back into the industry. First, they're cheaper than automatics because you have to work the stick shift, and plus they're more fun, you have more control over the car. And let's see if these drivers aren't idiots this time. Just watch me pass a bunch of people at the end. Sorry. Sorry, I'm not sorry. No, stupid. Oh, dumb drivers. And the thing I like about Drive Club, you can, that the shifts, the paddles actually move, the stick shifts actually move, your feet actually move. And unlike Forza, no, I don't hate Forza, but I still like the game. The steering wheels actually turn. They don't turn very slowly. And when your feet actually move, the brake, see, it's actually, you know, everything works in the car. They have a meaning. They're not just there. And I won't be doing a stream in a while, I'm going to tell you that right now. Because I got some things to handle. So I'll be still making videos, but not streams. Just watch him crash into me. Because since he was in the freaking way, you saw how tight that bridge was. So one of us were gonna get hit. He would either ran me into the bridge, which he did. So yeah. Now he's gonna crash into me. Okay, goodbye, Antone. But I like the way how this thing handles. It's not too drifty, so that's good. Like the freaking M5 is. That thing is drifty. There we go. Alright, it's been another Drive Club car review. Don't forget, rate, comment, like, and subscribe. It's been another Drive Club video. Off the Hook Gamer, out.